Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Camp Ndunda for you. This is one of the many activities that are there. Hey, na hii kitu mimi sitawahi rudia, like I swear I'll never do it again. Oh my god, inaitangwa World Swing. I did it last year, so hata venye tumeenda last weekend I just passed by, hata sikuwa nataka kuiona, like venye nilisikia. It's not something I would like to repeat ever. So enjoy this video as I tag you along the activities that I did in Camp Ndunda, show you how it is to spend a night there, wake up there, and like the food they serve, the activities they offer at night. Yeah, so enjoy this video. Kama hauja subscribe, hit that subscribe button. We grow together and have fun together. I really appreciate you all. Yeah. I think that's it. We zile nduru zilikuwa zimetembea hapa. Hata nimeaibika kuwekea audio. So if you love adrenaline, maybe you can try this activity na kama unajiamini. But for me, that is a no-go zone. So guys, hey, this place is very secure, but tumepark nje. I don't know, like I thought wako na enclosed parking. Tumepark nje kwa msitu, as you can see, huko ni kwa msitu, and immediately here tumepark. Sijui hao wengine wenye tuko nao huku wamepark wapi, but hey, inalala nje. But at least pale juu kuna gate before you get to this place. Huko kuna gate, so at least unajua iko safe. Yeah. And guess what guys, tumewashua bonfire. So we're coming to chill here, taking our drinks one to as we wait for supper to be delivered to our room. So it's a really nice vibe. I love it here. Really enjoyable. These are the things I live for. I really love that artwork there. Nana, can you see how it looks? These are two people, a couple taking a walk. Oh, they're really sweet. Maina, unatuombea chakula ama? So guys, we just had our room service delivered. So I'm having the baba, let me show the video. I'm having the pilau with greens, kachumbari hapo kando, then we have some stir-fried beef there. And now hubby is having the salty potatoes. Wanakula na Maina because Maina really loves the potatoes, So wow, the beef is soupy. Kachumbari. Maina, you want to serve us? Okay. So this is what we are having for supper. I have some pilau here. Mimi nakula pilau na greens. We have some beef, stir-fried beef, kachumbari na potato wedges. Ama ni salty potatoes. Hata sijui zinaitwa aje. Maina, you so excited. Daddy, this is what you're having for supper today at Camp Ndunda. Maina, twende tukaote moto. Maina, nidi aprifere abere. Ere atari na kiria. Sawa, mshikile huyo mzee. He's possible. He can do anything. Maina, you're here to enjoy. So guys, imagine tumewekewa bonfire. It comes as a package. So jioni mnakuja kuota moto. So we have two options. Kuna hiyo na kuna hii ingine. Sasa hii yenye iko live, mimi nimeona iko na inaitwa smoke meat. That's why I've preferred this one. So we are here with my kaboy and my omuhabi. Nataka tu chill kidogo then tuende tukalale. So Camp Ndunda is very nice. So na huyu ameanza theatrics.
Hello.
Don't, Baba. Baba, where are you going? Come back here, we enjoy some bonfire. Unaona venye imeshika haraka venye nini. Sasa na Kikuyu tulikuwa tunaita jina ingine. Venye nimeunganisha hizo kuni. It looks so warm and it feels so warm. I love, it's been so long kutoka niote moto. Sasa huyu mzee ni kama ni yeye nilileta birthday. He's really enjoying. Wa? Okomiga ithi eto tiari watu aciona tugaciarĩria. Wewe irare New Zealand. Kuna sijui ni kitongoji ama ni kijiji gani walikuwa na complain zimejaa. Nakaambiwa ukiona fisi muongeleshe hata kuataka. You just talk to them. Sasa usiniulize hao maafisa. You just talk to have a conversation with it. No, not shouting, talk to it. Sasa watu walikuwa wanauliza language yao ni gani. So Maina leo ndo ameona moshi for the very first time, not even moshi, like firewood fire, mna get. Leo ndo ameziona for the first time, so he's very mesmerized. Sasa hizo tu vitu za white zenye kutoka kwa moto Maina anadhani ni dudu. Sasa anashinda huko akiziua. He's really enjoying. Alafu moshi sijui anadhani ni nini. Anashinda hapo side yenye kuna moshi. See? He's really enjoying. He's really mesmerized. He has never seen anything like this before in his life. Where? New seasons change. Baba. Wow, it's a good morning. We've just woken up. It's around 8:30. We're heading out for breakfast. Yeah, it feels so nice. As you can hear around ni masauti tu za ndege. And the place looks so scenic. We've enjoyed our night in these two huts zinaitwa tipi. We've really enjoyed our night. Hata Maina hajaiona kitu kama hii, ameenjoy sana. So I really love the environment here. Nayo jua leo haijatuangusha. So today I'm going to have so much fun. Naenda mpaka kwa mud fun. Mud fun ni ile kucheza na matope. Yeah? Naenda kujibamba leo. Yeah, so that is what we're going to do right away. We go take breakfast. Then after that, we head straight to activities, that is nature walk, canopy walk, mud fun, zip lining if mtu anataka. Afu kuna ile rope nilienda last time. Hey, I don't know whether I'll find that video. Ni hata chapa. But I cannot repeat that thing. Mimi venye nilisikia siwezi rudia hiyo kitu. Inaitangwa rope what? Hata sijui. Tika tu. So guys, this is the spelling of this place. Inaitwa hivi. Can you see here? Tumelala huko. Zinaitwa tipi, but they essentially look like huts. So huko ndo tuli have bonfire jana and we really enjoyed ourselves mpaka na huko kitu saa 7 ya usiku tukiota moto and it was really fun. Maina alilala saa 3, so we took him to the rooms that is here. Si tukabaki pale tukiota moto mpaka saa 7 ya usiku, moto na mastori na mugithi. Baby girl is glowing, birthday girl. Na mnyama wetu amelala safely. Huku ndo nilikuwa nawaonyesha imepakiwa kwa msitu. But at least it's safe, iko tu intact. And actually ilioshwa. Can you see venye imeng'ara? Let me look from behind. Because it was really dirty. Ilikuwa imeokota dust. From Roiro to Embu with dust. Wow, it's so clean, super clean. I love it. So imelala hapa na si tukalala huko.
Bobby.
Yeah. I love it. You guys, can you see what this dude is doing in a hotel? Unaona hizo sugar sachets? Usually takes them, anaanza kuramba moja moja. Akimalizana na hii anachukua ingine. Haki mtoto anaweza kuaibisha. Can you see how serious he is? Imagine iskari anakula hivyo mbele ya watu. Anyway, this is us taking breakfast. Ndo tuanze ma activities. The room we paid had breakfast and like it was bed and breakfast. So they provided breakfast. So he shade, imagine you guys, I'm here trying to like build a shade for our cars because mostly we work from home. So I feel like zinakaa under the sun for too long. I'm budgeting for a shade but zile pesa naambiwa huku nje. Kumbe these things are not cheap. We, mimi naambiwa bei mpaka nikashindwa.